Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to show you how to quickly and easily change out a garbage disposal. First, if you pick one that is about the same size as the one you're replacing, you'll have less plumbing alterations to do. I am replacing an Insinkerator 3/4 horse 900 series disposal. I have decided to upgrade to the Insinkerator Power series, which is also 3/4 horsepower. This new disposal is part of what Insinkerator calls the Easy Connect series. I bought the disposal for $159. Then I bought the special electrical cord for $9.99. Your disposal will have some prongs that you will slide your cord into. First, remove the green ground screw. Then take your cord, which has 3 female slots, and slide it into the 3 male prongs. Now screw your ground screw back in, and you're done. This is what the final product looks like. Next, if you have a dishwasher, you will need to take the plug out of the dishwasher inlet. To remove the plug, use the provided hex head tool, insert it into the plug, and turn the tool counterclockwise until the plug comes out. Now we have our cord attached and the inlet plug removed. First, unplug the disposal. The next thing to do is to remove the old disposal. The existing mounting assembly is in good shape, so we can reuse that part. Put down a bowl to catch some water, loosen the clamp on the line that goes to your air gap, and remove the line. This part is called a discharge tube. Remove the fastener and remove one piece of the white PVC pipe that goes to the discharge tube. Remember to have your bowl under your work. Now we'll remove the old disposal from the mounting assembly. Put your provided hex head wrench into a mounting lug. There are 3 of these mounting lugs, and if you have 2 of these tools, if you have an extra tool laying around, you can put it in another of the mounting lugs and it will give you better leverage. Turn the disposal counterclockwise. Once you get it loosened up, it should come right off. Before I show you the installation, I would like to show you a clip that demonstrates the mechanical connection between the disposal and the mounting assembly. Here the clip is getting started going up the ramp. Now you can use the provided hex head multi-tool to tighten it up farther, and then a good way to finish it off is with some channel locks. I'll use a small car jack to hold the disposal in place while I get it going up the ramps. Once I got the disposal going up the ramps, I turned it clockwise by hand to get it to go up a little farther. Then I used the provided multi-tool to get it to go as far as I could. Then I finished it off with my pliers. I had to cut an inch off of the discharge tube, but the existing white PVC pipe turned out to be the exact correct length. So I just reused it as is, after cleaning it out, of course. I reinstalled the tube that goes to the air gap, and I tightened down the clamp. Now I'll turn on the water, test it out, and it sounds great. And then you look underneath and you check very carefully for leaks. Make sure there's no leaks anywhere, and there wasn't. It works great. I'll put links in my video description for the 3/4 horse Power series, which is the one you saw in the video. I'll put a link for the Evolution 3/4 horsepower. I'll put a link for the 1 horse Power series, the 1 horse Evolution. And of course, I'll put a link for the Easy Connect power cord. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.